It's actually going to be like a wine advent calendar, but instead of it being like a calendar, it's going to be a whole bunch of little birdhouses with wine bottles in them. So I'm just building the walls and cutting the walls right now. So I'm going to show you how to do table saw like cuts without the actual table saw, but instead a table and a saw. Cut them on 45, so they are going to be mitered. So they'll go together like that. Going to be continuing within their birdhouses, framing them birdhouse walls. PL 400 Framer's Choice of glue. We put this crap on everything, even salad. Yeah, that's something for you, the Americans there. That's called the Robertson Square. It's a Canadian thing. I promise you, if you use the Robertson bit, you'd never go back to those Stars Phillips. A little more PL. Parts here. Throw those away. I don't need that extra one there. We're done. Do them floors for those birdhouses. So we want to router this off. So this top part's round. Like these guys. Just routering the top. And this is where the birdhouse will sit on. So the old router. Round. Now I just want to sand this cut edge here. Just want to sand this a minute quick. I've been cutting a couple of them, and this is what they're looking like. So that's just a traditional birdhouse there with that 12-12 pitch. I'll show you how I did that in a minute. Alright, there it is. That's how it looks. So now I'm cutting those tubes into the actual birdhouse. So I think one of the lost arts to the old birdhouse construction is there's been too much quality put into them. I'm just trying to simplify them a little bit here. So I'll just show you a couple quick cuts. Those are just the random angles that I had done on these different guys. Throw that guy on like that, right? Nothing special, just simple. Just throw it on there like that. If that was a real house, that wouldn't shed water pretty well. Look at this one here. That guy's a little crazy. I don't know what to say about him. All right, so sanding them. Clean up the roof a little bit. Alright, so this birdhouse is gonna have a flat roof. Alright, it's gonna do, gotta put a couple of roofs together here. Some of these roofs are two pieces. So this is one of my funky birdhouses here. It's gonna have an inverted 12-12. So what I'll do is I'll glue that guy. Okay. That looks good. Now, I'm wondering if this is going to be a mistake. But I have a whole bunch of other ones that are a 12-12. Right? So I need to glue these guys together so they sit on top like this. To do that, I'm going to use this as my template. Hopefully when it's all done, then I'll just stick it together. Yeah. So like I said, the other ones, they basically just got one piece for a roof. So I'll just glue those on and put them on later. That's how this guys will go. And then of course this is the base. So when they're said and done, they're gonna look a little bit like that. Of course they're gonna be painted funky colors. So I decided to not leave them all in this, we'll call it a template, because I think they would have stuck together. In fact, they were starting to. So I took them all out, just set them on the floor like that, and let them rest and dry. Yeah. So a lot of painting to do, just prime them all up next. Hey. Yeah, we're painting birdhouses again. I got all the floors done. They're in the garage back there behind me. Those are roofs, those white things on the ground there. There's some more roofs right there. And I got a few of the boxes painted already, as you can see. So I'll just slap some paint on here, the thicker the better. Yellow there, and that looks blue, but it's actually brown. So this one's going to be yellow and brown. So I'll just paint this up quick a minute. Actually, this is my last one. Boy, it's too bad that color looks that bad. I'll just come grab my phone a minute. They're kind of spread out all over. Anyways, like I had said, I had been to Swirls and I bought 25 bottles of British Columbia wines, so that's what's going to be going in these little guys. Hello, DeWalt, my old friend. With you again. Now we're drilling the holes. Got the hole saw bit on the drill here, so some people like to center them nicely on this wall, not me, so we're going to make it a little bit crooked. Anybody could center a hole. I choose not to. We can make them all crooked. Go wherever you want. Do one more here a minute. Let's go near the top. There it is. Now for the bottoms, we'll take this here birdhouse, put the bottom on it. Last one, 2 screws. There it is. And when the roof goes on, go on like that. And there it is. Put the old wine bottle inside there, cover it up. Here we are, there's them bird houses, they're done. The roofs have now been screwed on, and I have numbered them, as you can see. They go from 1 to 25, all in random numbers. The porch roof that gets in the way. There they are, 25 of them. And there's the wine. So, basically all I do now is I take a lid off one, take a bottle of wine, insert, put the lid on, and that's done. All these wines actually come from British Columbia, wineries in British Columbia. Like I said, I bought them all when we visited my daughter in Vancouver. So there, that's that. I'll just put the rest of the bottles in all the birdhouses, and then we're done. Turned out pretty cool.